Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and today I'm going to show you something really exciting. I'm always excited when I actually record these tutorials, but yeah, maybe you got tired of hearing that. Anyway, Lunacy has been released for Mac and Linux also. Previously just available for Windows, but I have trying out the beta of Lunacy for Mac. And the cool thing about Lunacy is that it reads and writes in the Sketch file format. And what else reads and writes out? Sketch file format to code, of course, Sketch2React. So I've been testing this with the stable version of Sketch2React. And this is a crash test document that I have trying out our different components, etc., and what breaks, what works, what doesn't work. Most things work really well. Some things that we need to look into is that the border radius thing comes out, gets written in a different place than when you work with Sketch. So we need to find that little place and just adjust it for future versions of Sketch2React, and you will also get border radius. But right now a lot of things work. Here, for example, I'm testing this together with the stable version of Sketch2React, but I also tested with the new version of Sketch2React that is in beta. And some things are not supported in stable version, such as radial gradients. So for example, now I need to go into here and change this one from radial to linear, like that. Save, and it will work. Oh, like that. So this is our form component. This is a couple of buttons. We have the nav here that works as expected, and you can style it however you want. And of course we need to see if the code export works. So of course the fastest, easiest way to show this is just to download to HTML. And let's do that. So let's just save this. Something like that. Lunacy, and let's find that one. Let me just find it. It's here actually. We have it there. Let's open it up. And just first of all, you can actually preview everything in Finder here. So you see that this actually works. Looks really good. You can even type here, almost, which is really cool. And then just drop this into Visual Studio Code and see the export, how it looks in a code editor. So we have the index here, like that, and we have the images are there. Oh yeah, okay, we have images coming from, exactly, we have them coming from this component, and I had, as a placeholder image, I actually had this one, so it also gets exported. You can ignore it. We have the CSS for the start page. You have everything here, so it looks really cool, neat and nice. You have the JavaScript, the Bootstrap, blah 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 blah. I just wanted to show you this. We are really excited about this, and we are going to keep looking into how we can get the border radius out to Sketch2React for the coming versions. Have a great day. Cheers.